This year in our 5th grade classroom, in addition to using Class Dojo, which is how I am primarily going to be communicating with you, your child will be able to share their learning experiences through a program called Seesaw. You will receive, if you have not already, an invitation to join Seesaw that looks like this. It has a QR code for you to scan to directly access our class, or you can download the app from your smartphone and create an account, or you can sign in from your computer. So if you sign in from your computer, all you're going to do is you're going to enter the link. And here you're going to see a list of the students in our class, and you can choose your child. And then it will ask you to fill out some information, such as your name and email address. And then I will approve you joining our class. And the next step is that you will see this. So this is what you will see when you log into your child's Seesaw account. I am logged in as myself, looking at Mrs. Coyle, who's my student. So you will see your child's work here. Basically, Seesaw allows us an opportunity to assign learning projects for your child, to allow them to share their thinking, their problem solving, their feedback, and they can do this through videos, drawing, typing, journal responses, all different things. So you can see this was the first assignment that I assigned our learners, and you can see this is how I would take a look at what it is. I, in the activity, shared with the students exactly what the expectations were and what I was requiring of them. Prior to anything appearing on their Seesaw account, I take a look at it. I will not correct grammar or spelling or anything like that, because that is not the purpose of this application, but instead to share with you some of the learning that they are doing in our class environment. So you can see this was the first assignment. I am going to allow the students to draw on certain assignments, do an audio recording that you can listen to, add pictures, do all different things. So you can see this is my post. This was what the child saw, the instructions that they received. Here's a sample. And then they listened to the instructions and posted the activity. So you can see that. And what you can do is you can choose to like it as their parent. You can choose to comment on it, and kids absolutely love to hear from their parents, especially during the school day. So if you say, "Wow, I love how you remembered our snorkeling experience," you can share that comment and post it just like you would on another social media application. And then you should know that before your child is able to see any comments, they do go through me first so that they are approved. Similarly, other students can see their classmates' work when I set it that way, and again, their comments also must be approved. So you can see, and then your child, when they go to open up their Seesaw, will see your comments and what they thought about their learning. So you can see they can add pictures. Again, I snuck in a little picture of my guys. They also can include journal responses, which I will be assigning them throughout the year. And again, there is an inbox to communicate with me. You can send messages on this. I do tend to check Class Dojo very regularly and add pictures of my own onto that. But this is another option for you as well, in addition to my email and Class Dojo. So this is a great tool to communicate with you this year, and I look forward to sharing our learning experiences with you.